How do businesses use YouTube for marketing? First, add a YouTube follow icon to your website and blog. Second, embed relevant videos on your website or in blog posts. Consider creating a YouTube video to accompany a specific blog post, or sharing customer video reviews or case studies on your website. Is YouTube channel for business free? Your free brand channel on YouTube serves as the single home for your business videos. Add your logo, business name, and customize the landing page banner to reflect what's unique about your business. You can also invite collaborators to upload videos and manage content, so it's a team effort.